Hello everyone, this is Amir Ashar. I'm going to discuss about the different types or models of e-commerce in this video. Okay, let's go into the video. First of all, before going to study the types, we need to know what is e-commerce. E-commerce is nothing. It is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce, in which we can buy and sell goods or services with the help of internet and transfer of money and data to execute this transaction. Okay, we go into the types. There are a lot of types in this e-commerce business models. In this video, we are going to discuss about the major 9 types. First, we can see the overview, and later we can see each and every in detail. First, here the letter B denotes for business, C denotes for customer or consumer, and G denotes for government. Okay, let's go into the types. There are 9 major types or business models in e-commerce. The first model is B2B. B2B refers to business to business. The second one is B2C. B2C refers to business to customer or consumer. Then B2G, business to government. Next, C2C, customer to customer. Then C2B, customer to business. Then C2G, customer to government. Then G2C, government to customer. Then G2B, government to business. Then G2C, government to government. First, B2B. What is B2B? It is a process in which buying and selling of goods a business is doing between two business companies, which is known as B2B. We can see clearly later. After B2C, business involves buying and selling of goods. A company which denotes business which sells its product to customer, which is known as B2C. And B2G, a company which sells its products to government. It may be central or state. It does not matter. A company is selling its goods to government. It is known as B2G. Buying and selling involves between business to government. Then C2C, consumer to consumer, a selling and buying process between consumer to consumer. And C2B, customer sells his product to business companies. We can see it clearly in letter. C2G. C2G means customer sells his product and government buying. Okay. G2C, government selling his product to customer. G2B denotes for government selling his product to business. G2G, sometimes government sells its product and another government willing to buy it. We can see clearly. We can see clearly now each type. What are they? The first type is B2B. What is B2B e-commerce? A process in which the buying and selling involves between two companies, which means if a company willing to sell its product and the another company want to buy this product, this is known as B2B e-commerce. About 80% in the present e-commerce, there are 80% or 80% of business are into business to business. I can give example like the simple example is if we take two companies, Intel and Dell. One company is Intel and another company is Dell. Intel have its microprocessor and Dell needs the microprocessor. Intel selling its microprocessor to Dell. Dell buying its microprocessor they want from Intel. It is a simple example for B2B e-commerce. If if we see the diagrammatical representation, we have business organization and the customer want to buy. We have the customer. The business organization supplies its materials. It may be microprocessor or anything products to the wholesaler, and the wholesaler grabs the orders from the website and sells to the customer. This is the simple diagrammatical representation which explains business to business e-commerce. Then second type is B2C. What is B2C means? A process of involving selling and buying goods. Selling of goods and buying of goods between business selling its goods and customer or consumer buying its goods from the business, which is called B2C e-commerce. Simple example is if you go, everyone is using Amazon, Flipkart nowadays. If you go for Amazon and if you need to buy an Lenovo laptop, you can search the Lenovo laptop and the company Lenovo will show the available laptops to you, and you will choose one laptop and buying. You buying the product, you are the customer or consumer, and the laptop company is the business which selling its product to its customer. It is the laptop. Lenovo refers to business, and you or the anyone who can willing to buy is known as customer. This is a simple example. We can go for diagrammatical representation. Here the business organization directly supplies to its customer. Then B2B, we have a wholesaler, which is another business company. From business company to business company, then it reaches its customer. When it comes to business organization and customer, it directly supplies. We can go for the third type is B2G, business to government. Selling and buying process between business to government, where the business company selling its product and the government buying its product from the business company. For example, if we take in Tamil Nadu, the government will give the free laptop to 12 students or 11 students and cycles. In such case, they buy the laptop, they give order to some companies like Dell, or example, at present the government giving a Lenovo laptop. They give order to the Lenovo company, and Lenovo company delivered the order specified by the government. Here the Lenovo company is the business and government is the G is government buying laptop from Lenovo company. It is the best example for B2G commerce. The diagrammatical representation, business organization to website, website to government. It is a simple diagram which everyone can understand. The fourth type is C2C. When it comes to customer, it will be a easy business. One friend can sell his pen to another friend. It will be C2C, customer to customer or consumer to consumer e-commerce. For example, if we take there is a famous website called eBay. In eBay, if the friend one want to sell his car, he can post my car is available for selling, and friend two want to buy a car. He can see the available of car on the website. He can buy. The friend one is customer, the friend two is another customer. Friend one buying a car from friend two. It is an example of C2C, consumer to consumer e-commerce. Consumer to consumer e-commerce, the diagrammatical representation, there is a website. For example, I say the website is eBay. There is a website called eBay, and the customer one wants to sell this product through the website. He can put its car pictures or and the necessary things about his car, and he say, I want to sell. And the customer too wants to buy the car. He can go to the website and check what are the availabilities for, and the customer after the choosing the car, he wants to pay the money, and the customer one receives the money and customer two receives the product. This is a simple diagrammatical representation which clearly explains what is customer to customer e-commerce. When it comes to C2B, customer to business. Customer can sell some of its product to business. The simple example is a transaction between farmer. Farmer sells their agricultural products to Arokya. It is one of the company. It is one of the company which buying the agricultural products from the agricultures. When it comes to C2G, customer to government. Yeah, it is also one of the business. Customers, normal people's, if we take the same example like farmers cultivate their crops, and the crops are sold for government at a fixed price. Here the government is the government denotes to G and customer is denotes to farmer. Farmer sells their products and government buy the product from the customer. Now we go for G2B. C2C, government to customer. This is one of the also part of e-governance. Government selling its products to customer. For example, the simple example we can take the ration shop. The government selling its rice, sugar, and other necessary things for living at some low price. It is for the citizens of Tamil Nadu or India. The government selling its products and people are going to buy the product. It is the best example for G2C e-commerce. If you take the diagrammatical representation, government denotes government to website, website to each citizen of India. That's all. We go for the next topic is government to business. Government to business means in such cases government sells its product and business company going to buy the product. For example, if I take government selling its product and buy its product. For example, if you take raw materials to business, sometimes the government can sell, it may be central or state, the government can sell its raw materials and business company needs the raw materials. At that time, business company buy the raw material from the government. It is one of the example. And the last type is government to government. Someone have the doubt what will government and government will buy and what is the business involving in government to government. Yeah, it is involved. Sometimes government buying something from other government. For example, if we take the government of Tamil Nadu and the government of Kerala, if the government of Tamil Nadu need to buy some defense system, it will seek from Kerala government or any other government. It is one of the best example. They can buy guns and other such things via other government. It is a best example for government buying something from other government. The one example I mentioned in PPT is S4000 defense system. It is one of the government thing which is can a government can buy from another government. That's all. These are the 9 major types which involve in e-commerce. And from this, the most prominent and most usable type is business to business. Almost 80% of e-commerce business is based on business to business. Okay, that's all about the topic. I hope I have covered most of the things regarding this topic. Okay, thank you. Thank you to everyone for watching this video. Be safe and